Alright, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I got another mouse case here for my S26 Ultra. So big thank you and shout out to Mous for sending this out for review. So let's go and get this bad boy open because I'm super excited to get this slapped on my real S26 Ultra. I've always jokingly said it's always fun to open these mouse boxes because it's just like a, puzzle here. But I got a couple of things inside, just like we always get with mouse phone cases. But the main attraction is this right here. This is their new super thin Aramid Fibre case. So this is going to set you back around 65 bucks on their website. It's a true, genuine, high-strength Aramid Fibre case. It's 1.2 millimeters thin. I mean, that's super thin, but it makes this their thinnest case they've ever made, which is just insane. So let's get this out of the way. And let's take a peek at the inside here. So as you can see, we do have MagSafe capabilities. And of course, that's going to support Qi 2 wireless charging, MagSafe charging, all that good stuff. So you're good to go there. And then yeah, so let's get this bad boy put on. So I've always been a big fan of like super thin Aramid Fibre cases, and that's not gonna change with this. So look at that, super thin, guys, super thin. Yeah, just love the feel of Aramid Fibre. I always have, always will. As you can tell with the pattern on the back, that's that molded Aramid Fibre shell, so it's a tightly woven Aramid Fibre. So it's just a really nice looking pattern and case. It's definitely going to help with impact. So if you drop it, obviously don't go chunking it off of a garage like I always say, or like a rooftop of a house or something, but minor bumps and bruises, it should just be fine. But as I mentioned, seriously ridiculously thin profile. So it's just 0.6 millimeters on the sides and 1.2 millimeter back. So once again, it's their slimmest case they've ever made. And got a reinforced camera bump here. So if I get a little closer, you can see that it does have that nice housing there. Definitely going to be protecting those lenses very nicely. So it's a stiff glass-filled polycarbonate camera ring, as they call it. Which I've never heard that description before, but I like it. And then Mous branding here at the bottom. Now on the sides, the whole point of this is to have that open and exposed portion for your buttons. So the volume up and down and power button are the actual buttons. And then if we move down to the bottom, you're going to see, obviously, we get a nice cutout here for the USB-C charging port, speaker, microphone, and of course your SIM card tray and S Pen access is very simple to get to, so no issues there. And then if we move over this side, it's just all Aramid Fibre with no buttons on that side. And then you can see the cutout, how it is shaped up here at the top where our microphones are exposed, but you can see kind of how it looks there. So yes, it's extremely thin, but a lot of phone cases for the S26 Ultra are going to be, sticking out on the sides there and the back just because it's just a big chunk right there. And then if you look at it from the front, got some lips, you can put it down, face down, and it's going to help a little bit, but it's not going to be rugged like, say, for example, their Limitless case, right? So the Limitless case is definitely giving you a lot more protection. This is really more for that minimalist at heart who just wants a little bit of protection. So I always kind of jokingly say these types of cases are almost like a skin on steroids, right? So, but that's the way it looks there. Tempered glass friendly. Got the Mous ceramic screen protector installed. And yeah, so that is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and do the wobble test just for jollies. So face down, no shaking, back down, gonna be a different story. That's just, it is what it is with S26 Ultra phone cases. Ease of access to the buttons, super simple. And yeah, really enjoying that. And then let me grab my MagSafe charger and we'll test the magnet strength real quick. All right, so I have this here, which actually doubles as, you know, something you can plug into the device, but it is MagSafe and it is super strong. I mean, literally will not come off, finds it very well. So definitely no issues there. I'll slap it on one of these as well, which I've always said that any type of nightstand MagSafe chargers never are super strong, but once again, holds on very nicely to this one. So passes the MagSafe strength test with flying colors. So if you got a vehicle with a MagSafe charger, or, you know, like I said, you're using your nightstand or anything of that nature, then you're good to go. So there you go, guys. There is a high quality Mous phone case, Aramid Fibre, super thin, lightweight case for your S26 Ultra. So if you are interested in scooping this up, I will put some links down in the description. But big thank you and shout out once again to Mous for sending this out for review. So hit that like button if you like this video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.